They're from different countries in different contexts, and this was a good opportunity to see how NBS can function in different contexts, different countries, and this framework helped us to see how this application can be really a good opportunity.
Asegurar una gobernanza adecuada que permita que todos los actores y sectores involucrados se apropien del tema de soluciones basadas en la naturaleza y puedan de una manera comprometida y de una manera real implementar las acciones en el largo plazo.
This is the way you can also make a policy change. So it is also important that all these measures, like for example the ones that were presented by the Rest Coast project. In this case, the Nature Restoration Regulation is a very important policy instrument that we need to use to be able to scale up.